Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. Today we're taking care of Slate's headlights. Slate being my 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC, for those of you who haven't seen any of my videos. Alright, so for the cleaning of the light we're going to be using this Sylvania Restoration Kit. I don't know if you can see it. I chose this one for a few reasons. First, you don't need any tools. I like the 3M kit, but I don't own the drill, so I chose this one because there are no tools needed to restore your headlights. Also, it was 24 bucks on Amazon, and I'll link it down below if you guys want to restore your own headlights. But first, check my tutorial and see if it actually works, because I'm not sure. Also, I'm not the most tech savvy person, so we never know where those videos go. So yeah, this was 15 something on Amazon, and it was reduced from $24.99, which is it's a pretty good discount, I'd say. Before we do anything though, we gotta tape the lights, and just like that, 1, 2, 3. And now that the lights are masked, we can actually take a look at what's inside this thing right here. So we're gonna open it up and take a look. All right, clarifying compound. We also have surface activator, gloves, paper towels, and UV block clear coat. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we're starting with step 1. This is the surface activator. I'm going to apply this to all the headlights and let it stay for 30 seconds so it can loosen up all the debris and the yellow hazing and stuff like that. So I'll be doing this, both headlights. I'll be doing both headlights, but you will probably be seeing me doing only just this one. So let's start with step 1, surface activator. It's a very nice and generous spray on all the headlights, and you can see right away the yellow haze starting to run down. We give them another 10 seconds and we're gonna wash them with some water. Here we go. I got my water bottle because I assume there's gonna be some wet sanding going on. We're already starting to see some progress with the yellowing because of the surface activator, but now it's time to get to step 2, the wet sanding and polish. And for that, we have 3 different types of sandpaper here. We have the 400 grit, the 1000, and I believe 2000 grits. Yep, 1000 and 2000 grits. Of course, we're gonna start with the 400 grit because our headlights are pretty bad. If your headlights are not coarse, I recommend starting with the 1000 grit and just working your way up to the 2000. All right. We're starting with the 400 grit, and since this is a wet sand application, we're gonna make sure that we wet sand half. We're folding it in 2 because we're using one for one of the headlights, the other one for the other headlight. In my case, 2 headlights, 2 more headlights. But make sure you have your water bottle ready. Let's go. We need to do circular motions until the lens is nice and smooth, and you can see some white stuff is starting to fall. That's from the sanding with the sandpaper. And keep it all wet. Alright, we're done with the 400 grit. There is haze on the headlights, but I'm told by the instruction manual that it's all good and it will be getting better in a little bit. Now we're gonna proceed with the 1000 grit. Okay, now we're done with the 1000 grit and we're gonna proceed to the 2000 grit. You can still see the haze on the headlight, but it's nice and smooth to the touch, and I'm told by the instruction manual that's what it's supposed to be. Let's continue to the 2000 grit. Now that we're done with the 2000 grit, we're about to continue with the next step, which is, I believe, putting compound on the headlights. Alright, so we're using this step 2 clarifying compound, and we're putting half of this contents right here on the white towel that's provided, and we're gonna wet the headlight and rub it thoroughly for about 5 minutes. After rubbing in the compound for about 5 minutes with a firm pressure, it's set to wash thoroughly the headlights and dry them. So that's the next step. Last part of this step is to reapply the surface activator, then thoroughly rinse it and dry the headlights, after which we're going to remove the tape. Which reminds me, use a good tape, guys. This is not a good tape, and don't bring headaches to yourself like I do. Use good tape. "30 seconds later, we're going to remove the surface activator, rinse and remove the tape, and dry the headlight completely. Let's do it. Removing all the tape from the headlight, and we're going to use the second provided towel in the kit, second white towel provided in the kit, to completely dry the whole surface around the headlight. For this next portion of the tutorial, we're going to have to put the provided vinyl glove, and then we're going to use the provided UV block clear coat and this little blue paper towel to apply the UV clear coat towards our headlights, so they're protected and cleared to maximum. Alright, also a booster board just passed by. I don't know if you noticed that. Let's see how to do that. Alright, let's do this. I semi-read the instructions, so it couldn't be that hard. I'm gonna use... Ooh, that's sealed. That's nice. But... Alright, so we're applying on this paper towel a nice firm dab. And then we're going top down, overlapping a little bit, and that instantly cleared our headlight. No more scratches, no more haze. We're gonna do one more right here on the side, and this is nice and clear. Let's do the small one. There we go. Magic. Looks nice. I'm gonna do the other side. You hang in there. Alright, time to remove the proctologist glove and take a closer look at the headlights. Also, if you don't like a constant nail polish, that's not your thing, use gloves. Suggested. Now, that's much better. Sled has opened his eyes. He had his LASIKs, if you want to say it. Time to get rid of this leftovers of the Sylvania Restoration Headlight Kit, Headlight Restoration Kit, whatever. And there are cars passing by, so it's not the best place to talk. But this kit did the job. If you do want to restore your headlights, head down in the description and check the link for you to get yourself a Sylvania Restoration Kit. No, I am not sponsored by them, but if you guys want to help the channel, use the affiliate links. Why not? It helps me a tiny little bit every time any of you purchase anything from Amazon from these. And this is a definite must if you do have hazy headlights. Just like that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day. If you did like it, hit those thumbs up, I know you want it. Also subscribe for more videos to come. Bye.